So here at Two Rivers, the biggest project that we have going on is the 39-foot CV. It was a hurricane restoration boat from Hurricane Irma. It had quite a bit of damage, some big holes, and where we're at now is the fairing process. You can see this big hole here. We basically used a vinyl ester resin, HP60 Divinyl foam, and AdTech P77 as the fairing compound. And we get all our materials from Fiberglass, Florida. They have a great price, they're always willing to help, and they have everything you could possibly need to get these types of projects done. So we're excited. Next step's high build, and she'll be looking great.